Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we are going to master a very good, useful debugging tool. So let's go ahead and see how it is and how to implement this. So here I'm going to click on login, and then immediately we will see that we might have some errors. And error here, it says that int type int is not subtype of double, and that's it. So we don't have much hints about it, but I'm sure that okay, so this is the place what it causing the problem because I'm trying to log in. So that's how I know that. Now it should be that one of these fields over here is going to assign the value and causing this error. So I need to find out which one is this. Now it's not always easy to find it one by one checking because it may take a lot of time. So here, so this factory method, inside this we are returning this object, right? So all we need to do, the same object we have over here, this one, we're going to wrap it around try catch block. So this one around try catch block. So let's go ahead and do that. So now the same object, response, restaurant response object, now it is inside this try catch block. Okay, the only thing over here I added this catch statement, and then inside this we have e for error and stack trace. Now stack trace, this object actually tells you where which line has causing this error. Okay, so that's why you need to have this, and this is all you need to do to catch exact error, which line is causing the error on your model or response entity. It doesn't really matter, whatever it is. So all you need to do, wrap it around try catch, and within catch you have to have e and stack trace. And then over here, the last line you should say, okay, throw exception, parsing error response from whatever the message you want, and make sure that over here you'll have this $e. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and restart my application. After restarting, now I'm going to hit this login button, and over here we see that we have some error messages. And here, well, now it says that okay, this is your login controller, and then say response restaurant, this one, and then over here restaurants response again. Now it's pointing to this line. It's saying that this line is the problem. Not only that, at the top here actually it says that error person response from restaurant item exception type int isn't the subtype of double, and then it's pointing to this one. Now remember, this is the message that we wrote over here. Now all it did, it wrote the error type again, and after that it put down in a trace. Remember, this is stack trace, right? It put down in a trace one by one, and then eventually it pinpointed, okay, this is the line that's causing the problem. So now this line, of course, in my case, it is coming as int, but I need to have it as double. Okay, as you can see over here, it's double, but then this is over here is giving this one double. So all I need to do is to cast it to double, and we are good to go. All right, so I'm going to restart the app now, and this time we'll see that we'll not have any of this error, and we'll be able to log in. So the idea is, if you have this kind of error where you don't know which line is causing the issue and the type of error you're facing, in that case all you need to do, wrap your object using try catch, and then make sure that you have stack trace over here, and you're good to go. And as you see that now I'm inside this and I don't have any issues and everything is fine.